Completion is the keyword of our nines. 9 is also the number of our hermit, where we are shining a light on the current situation in order to see what has already been developed and what remains to be developed. Completion in the nines can either be good or be bad. In the 9 of Wands, we see inner strength, self-assurance, defending yourself, perseverance. Here we show stamina because failure is not an option with the 9 of Wands. Our 9 of Cups, dear friends, is about material happiness as it is about emotional stability. The present and future both seem to be secured. There is enough even for the future. This is a card of wish fulfillment, of feeling satisfied. This is also a card of enjoying sensual pleasures. In the 9 of Swords, the negativity of the thoughts is moving towards completion, and hence the tension, the stress, the despair and the anxiety are all complete, leading to extreme worry, leading to sleepless nights, probably also because of feeling guilt or suffering anguish. In the 9 of Pentacles, we are completing our material journey and moving towards material happiness and material gains. We see success here, we see achievement, self-reliance. Here we are pursuing refinement. This is also a card of retreating from the world into a private, blissful inner garden, or maybe even a material garden.